Susan Najowski is here. Summer Fresh is back. Look at this spread. Tim, you better come over here and even try some of these things out. This looks absolutely fabulous. Some ideas for Thanksgiving and fall.
Yeah, we can't believe it's Thanksgiving this weekend. So we thought we'd make an appetizer, a side dish, the ultimate macaroni and cheese, and a stuffed turkey breast. So they're easy, they're simple, and you can enjoy your time well spent with your family. So I've got a sweet potato appy. It's very easy. Wash your sweet potato, then slice it. Yeah, we'll disregard that. Yeah, thin little slices.
Oh, nice.
Almost like little chips. Put them in the oven on broil for about 15-20 minutes with a little bit of olive oil. And for TV, we've got
I love this.
here.
For TV purposes, we've already got a couple
We've already got it,
here.
yeah. And you can take any one of our Summer Fresh dips. I've got baba ganoush, which is a roasted eggplant dip today.
Delicious.
And teaspoon. Yeah, very simple, very easy.
Generous amount.
Yeah, always fun.
Baba ganoush is amazing.
Oh, it's good on everything.
It is so good on
Absolutely
everything.
great on anything. You can also use hummus. So again, a little teaspoon. And kids like to create these as well. They're simple and easy.
Yes, certainly. It's a great way to get them involved in the kitchen too. Learning
Absolutely.
a few quick little recipes.
Yep, they're healthy for you. And then we've got some roasted beets here.
This is just like fall on a plate.
It really
right
is,
now.
and
All
it's
the fall
simple
dishes.
and colorful.
Amazing.
And they're great little appies. A little bit of goat cheese, and if you want to grab the dill,
Yes.
we can drizzle that.
Just on top.
Yeah, just a bit.
How do you just a little?
Yeah, yeah, just sprinkle.
That's a lot, not a little bit. That's okay though.
Yeah, the more the merrier.
More the merrier.
Looks prettier.
It does. Oh.
Yeah, you can use goat or feta, and you've got this great.
So lots of things you can substitute with.
Oh yeah, parsley, cilantro. We got dill, so it's very fresh, very easy and simple. And the hostess with the mostess.
How beautiful does that look?
Yeah,
So colorful.
simple.
Yes.
Then we've got the ultimate macaroni and cheese, which is one of my all-time favorites. So I've cooked a pound of elbow macaroni. Take a container of the Summer Fresh artichoke Asiago.
My favorite.
Cheesy.
Like if no one has tried this before, like this is, I think, one of my must-haves. That's amazing.
Oh, this is a must-have in anyone's refrigerator. Yeah, it really is. When I tell people I started Summer Fresh, they're like, oh, the artichoke Asiago dip, is that you?
It's to die for. Oh.
Then we've got the 5 cheese dip.
Oh,
One
yes.
container. Then we've got a little bit of, this is half a cup of cheddar cheese.
Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so cheesy.
It's the ultimate. Half a cup of Parmesan. And half a cup of Asiago. Oh my gosh. Yeah, if you're gonna do it, you're gonna do it right.
No more cheeses?
No, that's it, that's it. We got half a cup of herb breadcrumbs. We're gonna mix it all up.
Oh, this smells incredible too. Oh.
Yeah, you're gonna put it in your casserole dish.
Phenomenal.
Yeah. And then bake in the oven for about 30 minutes. And all the recipes are available on our website, summerfresh.com.
Perfect. We'll have that on our website too when we post this interview. Because, oh, look at all the steps here. But for time's sake, this is also the finished version of it, nice and crisp and baked on top.
Yeah, easy,
Oh.
simple. So you've got your appies as you're enjoying. You got your macaroni, the ultimate macaroni and cheese, and we've got a turkey roll that we're gonna do.
Perfect. So with about
Just gonna
50
flip.
seconds left.
Perfect. Turkey, cut it up.
Yes.
You can use the Summer Fresh couscous salad or the 9-grain, either or.
Will work. Yep.
Yeah, a couple of tablespoons.
Oh, this is great. What a way to amp up your chicken.
Oh,
so it's
it
not
really
just
is.
plain in the oven.
Yeah, you can put a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. And this is really easy, and then you just roll it up.
And mess-free. Can I add that too?
Yep, mess-free, simple.
Mess-free.
You can make it the night before.
Awesome, Susan.
Yeah, stick it in the refrigerator.
Final
and then
version right
bake.
there. Awesome. Thank you so much, Susan, for these great ideas. More Morning Live coming up tomorrow. Thanks for joining us.